Fun with Phonics with Mrs. Yerke.
Good morning, first graders. It's Mrs. Yerke, and I'm here for our phonics lesson this morning. We're going to be playing the word puzzle game. So as you can see, I have all the letters that we're going to be using this morning, and you will need something to write with and a piece of paper or whiteboard, and a whiteboard marker is fine too. So these are the letters that you can use. Remember, you can only use each letter one time unless a letter shows up more than once. Like there are two E's, so you can use two E's in any of your words. So remember, you're looking for as many small words as you can make, and you're also looking for the big word, and the big word always uses all the letters. I'm going to give you a clue for the big word. I'm not going to tell you what it starts with, but here's my clue. The big word is a compound word. So I hope that helps you this morning. So we're going to pause the video in a moment, get as many small words as you can, try and beat Mrs. Yerke, and try and go for that big word too. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go!
Please pause the video until you have completed your work.
Okay, kiddos, how did you do? I ended up getting 13 small words. The more that I was writing, the more I kept finding. There were so many good words with these letters that we were able to make today. So a few things that I noticed is as I was working, let me read you my words first. I have met, meet, tied, bed, bit, bite, knit, might, I'm, edit, time, it, and I. So as I was working, I noticed that I would find a word, and then I would see that if I added one letter to that word, I could make another new word. So I had met, and I thought, oh, I have another E now. I can make meet. I noticed when I had bit, I could add another E and make bite. For mit, I could add an E at the end and make might. And once I came up with all of these 3- and 4-letter words, I realized I was missing the tiny, tiny ones that are so easy to find, like I by itself, it, and I'm. And don't forget this good writing word here, edit. All right, my friends, are you ready for the big word? Let's have a drum roll. Drum roll at home, please. Okay, the big word we said was a compound word. So it is actually two words that we already found smashed together to make one word. It is bed and time to make one big word. Let me write it here for you. We have B-E-E-D. Remember, a compound word has no spaces because it is one word. The word is bed time. I hope you got it just like I did. Great work, everybody.
Okay, boys and girls, so what we're going to be focusing on is 3 review long vowel spelling patterns, and we're going to be listening to their sounds. So the first one that I see is the long E card. So E saying, E, very good. Now we're going to look at the ways that we can spell long E. If you know some ways to spell long E, go ahead and call it out now. Hopefully we called out E-E, like in need or feed. E blank E, like in Pete. E-A, like in beat. You can hear that long E sound. And I-E can also make that long E spelling pattern. So this says E, this says E, this can say E, and this can also say E. And I believe at the bottom, yes, we have Y can say E, usually at the end of a word like happy. Another sound we're looking at, again to review, is long I. Make the sound. Yes, now how can you spell long I? Call out a few ideas now. Let's see, did you get them all? Did you get I by itself or Y? I blank E, IE, and IGH. These can all say long I. You see some similarities here between long E and long I. We have Y can be long E or long I, and IE can be long E or long I. Make the sound yes, long O. Now, how do you remember we can spell long O? Call out a few ideas. Maybe you said O by itself, OW, O blank E. Maybe you even said OA and OE. All right, we have a clue here. Drag the clue to the blue box to see if you guessed correctly. So what is a long E spelled EE and it is a purple vegetable? Oh, Mrs. Yerke loves these. Call it out if you know it. Long E spelled EE, a purple vegetable. If you said beet, you are correct. Long E spelled EA. This is a delicious food. Hudson's very favorite. Let's see. Treat. Very good. Long O, spelled OA. Don't forget to call it out. It drives on the water. Very good. Boat. Now this is a long O word, spelled O blank E, and it is the past tense of ride. Yes, road. Long I, spelled I-E, to look sneakily. To look sneakily. It's a short word. Spied. Yeah, I was thinking spy, but the past tense would be spied. Long I, spelled Y, high in the, yes, sky. Very good. Let's do a little bit of reading. We have B, O, O, bowl, B, L, O, blow, full, O, flow. How are we spelling long O in this whole row, boys and girls? Yes, O-W, very good. Now I'd also like you to notice that two of the words have a consonant blend at the beginning of the word. Can you call out those two words? Yes, yes, if you said bull, blow, BL is the consonant blend. And if you said fool, flow, FL is the consonant blend. Excellent. Let's keep reading. We have O, N, owner, good. Gr, O, N, grown. Make sure you're reading with me. Sh, ad, O, shadow. Again, how are we spelling long O in all of these words? Yes, O-W. O-W in owner, O-W in grown, and O-W in shadow. Nice reading, first graders. Next we have, remember it could be cree or it could be cry. So you have to do that, flip that sound. Is cree a word? No. How about cry? Yes. So it's the long I sound here. Now remember, when we need to change a word that ends in Y to a different form, whether it's plural or if you're changing the verb from cry to cries, we change the Y. Let me show you. We change the Y to I and add ES. Good. So this word is cries. Let's read another one. We have I try. And again, you can do flip that sound, and tree is a word, but most of us know how to spell tree, and this is not the right way, is it? So this word is try. Now change Y to I and add ES, and the word is tries. Tries. Let's read one more row here. We have a E, puppy, up, ease, puppies, l, I, lee, lily, and l, I, lees, lilies. So this follows the same rules, but this time we're not changing a verb like in cry and try, but we're changing the word puppy to be more than one, puppies. So that has a nice little rhyme for it. It goes, for more than one, no need to guess, change Y to I and add ES, just like we did from puppy to puppies and lily to lilies. Great reading today, boys and girls. Thank you so much. It was so nice being with you this morning. Bye.